Caramelized onion samosa recipe. Cut 5 medium onions in half and cut thin as possible. You need to open them up. I did it by scrunching and pulling them apart. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons ghee. Add the cut onions. Coat the ghee well and stir fry it. Add 1 teaspoon salt and mix it so that the moisture releases. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and mix. Add 1 ground star anise. Add half a teaspoon freshly ground pepper. Cook for around 5 to 8 minutes till the onion turns brown. The quantity reduces significantly. Keep aside to cool. You need to make a paste of 1 tablespoon maida and 1.5 tablespoons water. Add half more tablespoon water to make liquid. Preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. In a baking dish, coat with ghee and add butter paper. I have used Swiss Samosa putty. Fold 1 triangle and then 1 more. Add the stuffing inside and fold further triangles. Coat with the paste to seal them. I made 2 more variants. I added 1 teaspoon sweet corn. Add 1 teaspoon cheese. I use Laughing Cow. Coat with 1 tablespoon of ghee for 6 samosas on both sides. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. I got 14 samosas. Cool for 5 minutes before serving. Serve with green chilli and red chilli sauce. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.